when you're on a sales call, you need to go deep and find out what is the real underlying problem that people are trying to solve. Because then you can make the pitch, so your solution, you can make that fit exactly what they're looking for. So you're not going to promise them something that you can't deliver, but we usually have a solution that covers many things. Like for me, for instance, I help coaches get clients, and I can't cover everything that I do in the pitch to people, but I'll emphasize the parts that they said they were struggling with. So if they said they were struggling with finding leads usually, then that's what I'm going to emphasize. Or if they said they were struggling with not having a good offer, then that's what I'm going to talk mostly about, because that's what's relevant to their situation, instead of just going through a pitch that is generalized for everyone. It's not going to feel too compelling for them, because it's not really touching that much on exactly the problem that they have. Hope it makes sense. So if you're a coach and consultant, then we can definitely help you get the clients. So book a call to learn more, and give me a like, follow, and subscribe.